Hello, YouTube friends. Thank you so much for joining me again for another video. We are at Easter Camp 2025 and we're at the BB Coke High School, and it is the Pidisca Easter Camp 2025. Alright, so as usual, I'd like to take you on this journey with me as we are going through the activities here at camp. Right now we are at breakfast time, and I just want to show you what breakfast and camp looks like here in Jamaica. Alright, so I got baked beans with salt fish, boiled bananas, boiled yam, while Shamar got some vegetables. He already ate off his watermelon. Sean is eating his favorite dumplings, vegetables, and Shane he got some porridge which he has finished, and the same thing, baked beans with saltfish, boiled bananas, and yam. So yeah, that's it. I'll catch up with you later.